Hello, Ma'am Marie. Good afternoon po. Ma'am, pa-receive po ako ng inyong mga surprises. Ma'am, meron pa kayong bobo balloons, inyo pong bouquet of flowers. Ayan, ma'am. Ma'am, wala po kami sa Alias Flower Shop at merong nagpadala sa amin dito upang ihatid ang kanyang mga pagmamahal sa iyo. Kung wala ka idea, ma'am, babasahin ko ang kanyang kontakteng mensahe po. Happy birthday, my beautiful wifey. On your special day, I'm sending you all the happiness, good health, and love that your heart can hold. I wish I could be there to celebrate with you, hug you tightly, and make you feel just how special you are. Kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa, never doubt my love for you. Distance may keep us apart physically, but it can never change what's in my heart. Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko araw-araw. I always give you every moment like it's the first time. I mean it. I love you, baby, more than words can express. Forever your. Yan. May idea kay ma'am kung kanina po galing. Ano po ang masasabi niyo, ma'am, sa nagpadala po?
Ka-text ko na lang siya.